Welcome to our YouTube channel Odisha Railway Study Point. Let's start the previous year official question paper of RRB and TPC. Who is the father of Indian cricket? Your right answer is Ranji Singh Ji. Option C is your correct answer. Which of the following gland produces insulin? Your right answer is pancreas. Option C is your correct answer. Who is the father of communal election? Your right answer is Lord Minto. Option B is your correct answer. When was the national anthem of India adopted? Your right answer is January 24, 1950. Option D is your correct answer. Which of the following was a dockyard in Harappan site? Your right answer is Lothal. Option B is your correct answer. Who was the chairman of the draft committee? Your right answer is B.R. Ambedkar. Option A is your correct answer. Sliding friction is caused by static friction of dash. Your right answer is small. Option D is your correct answer. Which of the following do not have membrane bound cell organelle bound to the membrane? Your right answer is prokaryotes. Option B is your correct answer. What is the currency of fish in yoga? Your right answer is Matilda. Option A is your correct answer. Which of the following crop is Rabi crop? Your right answer is millet. Option A is your correct answer. Which of the following country is called land of white elephant? Your right answer is Thailand. Option C is your correct answer. Where is the Boxta Tiger Reserve situated? Your right answer is West Bengal. Option A is your correct answer. Which of the following organization calculate the poverty line in India? Your right answer is NSSO. Option C is your correct answer. Which of the following is called Grand Old Man of India? Your right answer is Dadabhai Naroji. Option C is your correct answer. Winter Paralympic Game 2018 where were held? Your right answer is South Korea. Option D is your correct answer. Where is the Carrara Stadium located? Your right answer is Australia. Option B is your correct answer. Who first started the portfolio system in India? Your right answer is Lord Canning. Option B is your correct answer. Who is the father of nuclear physics? Your right answer is Ernest Rutherford. Option B is your correct answer. On which river is Hirakud Dam built? Your right answer is Mahanadi. Option A is your correct answer. Which of the following created the famous game Snake Staircase? Your right answer is Gyandev. Option B is your correct answer. What sports are associated with the term par terre? Your right answer is wrestling. Option B is your correct answer. What is the capital of Uruguay? Your right answer is Montevideo. Option C is your correct answer. The governing body is the complete form of AKFI dash. Your right answer is Amateur Kabaddi Federation of India. Option D is your correct answer. In which act is the system of open competition selected for the selection of government? Your right answer is Charter Act 1853. Option B is your correct answer. The amount of water vapor present in the air mass is called dash. Your right answer is humidity. Option A is your correct answer. When taxing lead to a disproportionate increase in value, it indicates dash. Your right answer is sophistication impact. Option A is your correct answer. Which of the following is not a human in which continent? Your right answer is Antarctica. Option D is your correct answer. Which of the following was the oldest coin of India? Your right answer is Punch marked coin. Option B is your correct answer. Who has given full authority over the Indian administration after the Act for the Good Government of India? Your right answer is British Crown. Option D is your correct answer. In the politics, the whip office is mentioned in what? Your right answer is parliamentary tradition. Option D is your correct answer. In which of the following section Mahatma Gandhi was elected the president of the Indian National Congress? Your right answer is Belgaum. Option D is your correct answer. Which of the following is the volcano island in the Bay of Bengal? Your right answer is Barron Island. Option D is your correct answer. What is the government called tax which are not dependent on income? Your right answer is one outright. Option B is your correct answer. Which of the following is the energy due to its motion in an object? Your right answer is dynamic energy. Option D is your correct answer. Who was the sole representative of the Indian National Congress in the second round table conference? Your right answer is Mahatma Gandhi. Option D is your correct answer. Who has presided over the Union Power Committee of the Constituent Assembly of India? Your right answer is Jawaharlal Nehru. Option C is your correct answer. In which of the following chemical does the aroma of fruit come? Your right answer is esters. Option C is your correct answer. Who was the first president of All India Workers Union Congress? Your right answer is Lala Lajpat Rai. Option A is your correct answer. Which of the following revolutionary was led by the Ramoji Farmer Army in Maharashtra? Your right answer is Basudev Balwant Phadke. Option C is your correct answer. What is the least dense planet in the solar system? Your right answer is Saturn. Option D is your correct answer. In which year did the Federal Court of India be established? Your right answer is 1937. Option A is your correct answer. August offer when was it? Your right answer is 1940. Option D is your correct answer. Which of the following country has the largest beach in the world? Your right answer is Canada. Option B is your correct answer. What are the following from the human body to fight against invasion bacteria entering the body? Your right answer is antibody. Option A is your correct answer. Which Indian social reformer did the movement for the abolition of sati? Your right answer is Raja Rammohn Roy. Option C is your correct answer. Founder of Brahmo Samaj. What is stupa? Your right answer is salinity mold. Option A is your correct answer. Which of the following country has the highest rank of Human Development Index? Your right answer is Norway. Option A is your correct answer. According to the census 2011, which of the following state is the most populous state in India? Your right answer is Uttar Pradesh. Option C is your correct answer. Which of the following is the component of M1 in currency supply? Your right answer is money plus deposit. Option D is your correct answer. This is our last questions of today class, question of 50. In the support of the crop, which of the following has been announced by the government? Your right answer is minimum support price. Option C is your correct answer. I hope you like these sections. If you have daily hard work for your aim, you get sure success in your life. Otherwise, no one can help you to reach on your goal. It is the bad truth of your life. Let's bye bye. Have a nice day. Jai Bharat. Jai Hind.